So hi everyone. Do you know the uses of have, has and had? If you do not know how to use have, has, had, then don't worry. I'm here to tell you, I'm here to make you understand, to make you learn how we can use have, has and had. I'll tell you the three uses of these three words. Let's learn the usage of these words. The first usage of these three words is to show the position, the relation, and how you can show the position relation by using three words. I have bike. I'm talking about present. I have bike. It means I'm talking about present. There is relation. Now there is relation between bike and me. If you can't say relation, there is the position, right? I have possession on the bike, that because this is my bike. This is called possession, right? I have two sisters. I have two sisters. This is the relation, possession. Okay. She has two bikes. They have a beautiful car. They have a beautiful car, right? So this is the usage to show the possession, right? Now you can use like has, have. If you talk about the had, it shows the possession in the past, right? I had bike. She had car. I had a beautiful book, a wonderful book. I'm talking about past that I had, but at present do I have or not, it does not matter. So right, so this was the first usage of has, have, had. Okay, the second one is the uses that you can use to the action that is going to be done. Yeah, that is going to be done in the future. How you can say, I have to work. I have to work. I have to come tomorrow. Yet the action will take place tomorrow, and hence I am speaking in present. I have to come tomorrow. I have to come tomorrow. They have to come tomorrow. She has to do this by next morning. She has to do this by next morning. So this is the another uses of these words. Okay, now let's use something different and understand something different. That is, now you can use has, have, had to indicate about foods that you have taken in the present or past. Now how you can use, if you are having food, you can say I have having breakfast. Sorry, I am having breakfast. I am having breakfast. She has dinner tonight. She has dinner tonight. Let's use to indicate the food that we have taken already in the past. That if you have taken already, or you can use I have had my dinner. I have had my dinner. She has had. She, try to understand, focus here. She has had her lunch. She has had her lunch. We have had our breakfast. We have had our breakfast. So these are the uses of has, have and had. I hope you understood. If you want to learn more such type of words that you don't know how to use, okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please follow. You can follow if you want to learn English. Okay, then bye bye, tata, and let's meet in the next video.